How to add your own songs to Snapchat story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add your own songs on Snapchat, Snaps or Story. Now open it, log into your ID if you are not logged in. As you open your Snapchat, you'll get variety of options, and here you can find a little music icon too. Tap on it and here you'll be able to choose songs that are available on Snapchat. You might choose from featured. If you have added some musics to favorites, then you might choose from your favorites, which will be easy to add, or you can add from My Sounds. Now if you go to My Sounds, you will be able to create your own custom sound. You can either record sound or you can either upload from camera roll if you have saved it on your device. This way you can add your own songs to Snapchat story. You can go to upload from camera roll and choose a song. Now once you choose it, once you do this, click for sound name and create, and then click on save sound. You can either make this public or you can either make this private. Then click on save and the sound will be saved. Now to add to your story, simply create a snap and then go to music again, and here on my favorites go to My Sounds and your songs will be available there. Click on it and press next. Now your song will be added to your video and you can click on next and then click on new story. You can either add to your new private story or new saved story, and then if you click on the send icon that you can find on the bottom right of your screen, then you can add your song to story. Hope this was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.